Here with the 2006 Jeep Commander, and the other day while driving, the ABS light comes on. So I scanned and pulled codes indicating an erratic signal coming from the front passenger side wheel speed sensor. And upon closer inspection, you can see the sensor isn't doing too good. I don't know how it got like this, but I know how to fix it. So let's get started. The first step is disconnecting the negative battery cable, and I only need the front passenger side lifted, so I use this part of the subframe as a jacking point and place jack stands under the pinch wheel for safety. I'm using a 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts, and you'll need a 14mm socket to remove the two caliper bolts. And now with the caliper hung safely out of the way, you want to remove the two caliper bracket bolts with a 21mm socket. And here's the location of our wheel speed sensor, but be careful because that one fastener is notorious for snapping. So I'm going to spray some penetrating fluid and work it back and forth with the 3/16 hex socket, but the correct size is a 5mm hex socket. This connector can be a bit tricky. I'm using pliers to lift up on this red lock tab, then use a flat blade screwdriver or panel trimmer removal tool to lift up on the inside tab and pull outward. The replacement sensor is Mopar part number 56044144AD, and it's also important to note that the new sensor comes with new clips and push pins to mount to the chassis, so you don't have to worry about breaking the old ones off.